Hey everyone, Alex here. Now today I want to show you a little different bandsaw box. It's basically called a slide top box, not like your traditional just single drawer. And it's real easy to do. I'm going to show you just, again, a simple basic freehand cut. Bring that down above our work. So we've got just a simple outside design. Now, this is the way that this is done is it's a slide top box. So before we cut the front and the back off, we actually want to cut the lid off. Now, I will tell you that the thicker that you keep this lid, for some reason the heavier lid tends to slide a little bit nicer and looks a little bit better. So now we've got our lid. We'll bring our fence in here. Set it for about 1/4 of an inch. Cut the back off, turn it, cut the front off. Then last, bring that down. Just cut the inside of that drawer out. You don't want to go too deep because it makes it difficult to get little trinkets and things out, especially if you're going to use this as a desktop box. So now we've got the front, we've got the back to make our drawer, and then we take our lid, which go just like this. And we put that into place. Now we've got our simple little slide top box.